Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem and use Lululemon gift card online. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To redeem and use Lululemon gift card, first open any web browser available on your mobile device. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.lululemon.com. Then you'll be taken to Lululemon's website. Now before we begin with the further tutorial, make sure you are signed in to your Lululemon's account. After signing in, tap on Shop What's New and go for the products that you want to purchase. Tap on any of the product that you want to purchase. Then here you can see the products overview. Now you can choose the size, color of the products. After doing so, tap on Add to Bag at the downside. With that, your product will be added to your bag. Now here you can see your products overview. Tap on View Bag and Checkout. Then you'll be guided to the checkout page. Now scroll down and tap on Checkout. Then here you need to add your information. First add your contact information, then add your shipping address. First select your country or region, then add your first name, last name, phone number and your address. After adding all your contact information and address information, tap on Go to Next Step. Then you'll be guided to payment page. Here you can see various of payment methods. Tap on Add a Lululemon gift card at first. Then here you need to first enter your gift card number. Make sure you check the gift card number on your gift card. Then add the correct PIN code of the gift card. With that, click on Apply. Then the gift card will be applied on that purchase. This is how we can redeem and use Lululemon gift card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.